Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with James Jackson. James is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, James.
No problem.
So today I want to talk to you about old debates. The council has gone through many things in the past that are still being brought up. What is your take on it? An example, obviously, the OPS versus the OPP, the provincial police and Orangeville police. What are the circumstances where you would actually bring back a topic that had already been decided?
Well, if the people want to talk about it, we can always talk about it. There's no nothing that you can't talk about, and there's always a compromise to everything. But with the police issue, well, first off, I can tell you right now, most likely won't be until 2 terms that the OPP will not even come and talk to us. They even said that when they were here. Because you end up, if you want a police costume again, well, now you go to the bottom of the list. So you got to wait your turn. So it could be years before they even come back to look back at us. So, and also policing, in my opinion, is almost like, it's like private school versus public school. OPP is like public school. You get a little bit more money, you can have, I'm not saying better education, obviously, but you get what you pay for. So by us having our own police force, we have a lot more control over what we can and cannot do, and have more say in our chief. He will even tell you, he works for us.
So do you lean more on the OPS side of the debate?
I prefer to have our own police force, yes, instead of having a regimental police force. Don't get me wrong, I love the OPP. The OPP are great. I actually looked into trying to get into that organization myself. But however, like I say, it's more of a regimental. Having our own police force, we have a lot more control compared to letting the province control our policing.
Okay, well, thank you very much for being so candid with us today.
No problem.
Appreciate your time. If you'd like to see more of what James has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thanks for watching.